Okay, so today we have a Commodore PET from 1977. This is an actual 1977 model. This is the Commodore PET 2001-8. And as I can show you from the date codes, if we lift the hood of this computer, like this, we are looking at ceramic chips. And I guess the lighting isn't so great for this, but if you look at the date codes on these chips, you can see that it's from mid-1977. This computer was one of the first, kind of the big three of home computing in 1977. The three computers that introduced the home computing revolution: the Apple II, the Commodore PET 2001, and the TRS-80 Model 1. And I'm going to demonstrate it for you today. We're going to go ahead and power it on and load a program via cassette. So we'll show you how that works. By the way, I have made cassette tapes using the Audio Tap program and some wonderful programs that you can find online in .tap format for the Commodore PET. They are all well within the 7K limit that this system has. And we'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So you go ahead and turn on the power to the PET by turning on the switch in the back. This is what you should see. So you can go ahead and zoom in there. 8 kilobytes free, Commodore Basic. And we'll go over here, type load. Oops. L-O-A-D, load. And press return. We're going to put in our tape before we press play. And press play on our tape. Now, in a moment, you'll see that it's found the program. And then it's going to take several minutes to put the program into memory. There's Millipede. Wonderful. So while that's loading, let's take a look at this. What we have here is a Commodore US-1 calculator from made between 1972 and 1975. So it was made a few years earlier than this machine, though it's not hard to imagine that these two might have shared desk space at some point. There's a wonderful little switch here in the back for power. There we go. Look at that beautiful amber display. We're going to go ahead and add 6500 plus 2. 6502. Look at that. Beautiful. I'll go ahead and turn this off. And let's get back to what's happening over here with the PET. Still waiting on Millipede. Should be another minute. This computer needed a fair amount of work when I received it. It was shipped here from Texas. It needed new conductive material on the keypads. It needed a new cassette belt on the cassette player. The cassette player needed to be cleaned thoroughly inside and out. All the mechanical elements there needed to be cleaned with some lubrication. I used, to be honest, I used WD-40 and a little bit of lithium grease. And this CRT monitor, the video board on it needed new capacitors, and we needed 2 RAM chips. This area right here, I'm not sure if you can see what I'm doing here, but right under those ceramic chips there's 2 rows of RAM, 6550 MPS RAM, and there were 2 bad chips in there that needed to be replaced. I was able to find those on little diode. There we go. So it's done loading. It says ready. You get a cursor. And what you'll do here is you'll type run. And you'll press return. And there we go. We've got Millipede. And some instructions on how to play the game. And because I have to play this one-handedly, I will not be able to play very well. This is what it looks like. And we can fire some I'm about to get taken. There you go. No. Oh, that's the end of it. And then if you look a little closer. Sorry, chump, you lose. Do you want to play again? And we're going to say no. So that is a Commodore PET from 1977. Loading and running a program from cassette tape with a desktop US-1 calculator. Beautiful. Thanks.